Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday morning. It is chilly, but I feel like we've been saying that for days and days and days and days now. So, we've got a little bit of a new interface. We are doing some construction, so you'll have to bear with me if it doesn't work all that well. But looking out at Madison, 565 flowing smoothly. Madison Boulevard's been a little empty, so to speak. Not too many folks on the road, but it's also 38 degrees outside. And a lot of our communities are going to see that for the next couple of hours. We'll see some of those upper 30s going into the late morning hours. Some areas, Fort Payne, Scottsboro, Muscle Shoals, already at those low end 40s, but we're expected to be around 46 to 47 today. So we've got a lot of warming up to do and plenty of sunshine. Aren't we just excited about it? I feel like you can hear the vitamin D just radiating off of me today. It is finally sunny outside and I'm so happy about it. So sunshine is going to be back in the forecast for a couple of days this week. Rain chances that we thought we were going to see from Wednesday to Thursday have actually dried out. So that's good to know. We also are going to see some gradual warm-ups this week. It's going to get a little crazy as far as our temperatures go, but we'll get to it in a moment. So for the next 12 hours, we're expected to see those 40s for most of the day here. We're kind of getting to that range. By 11 a.m., we'll see 41 across the board. Still mostly sunny, a couple of clouds every now and again. We're expected to see those throughout the late morning, but pure sunshine come 2 o'clock. And probably just before that as well, maybe 1 o'clock as well. Temperatures will warm up to upper 40s. Some of our warmer communities that are usually about a degree or so warmer could possibly tap out at 50 even. Just depends on how much sunshine we really see today and how much of that warmth hangs around for the valley just before sunset. Nice breeze out there as well. So not quite comfy weather, but not as cold as we have been here lately. So we're starting to see that gradual warm up starting today, going into the rest of this week. Rest of tonight, though, seeing some 30s around later this evening, getting back into some of those upper 30s. We started the day out quite chilly. A couple areas we're slated to see some upper 20s. We've been just a touch warmer than that, but even still, chilly start to the day. So our wind forecast, expected to see some decent gusts every now and again, 8 to 12 miles per hour, and then 10 is expected for the next few hours, 11 into the early afternoon. Once we get past sunset, we start to see it die down back into those single digits for us, about 5 to 7 miles per hour. So good thing to note, if you are still in the process of putting up your Christmas decorations, you've got time. It's going to be just fine. We aren't going to start seeing rain chances until the weekend. So looking at tonight's forecast, though, it's going to be a little chilly going into the rest of our evening. We're expecting to see those temperatures back around 36 tonight. So mostly clear, though, which is good. And then a decent breeze every now and then, but not expecting too many of those wind gusts around for most of us. Looking ahead to the weekend, like I mentioned, rain chances getting back into the forecast by that point. And you'll notice a major drop. 58 on Saturday and 38 by Sunday. It's going to be chilly outside. So keep that in mind as you go about your plans for this weekend, everything in between. It's going to be a very chilly drop between Saturday and Sunday. So the rain chances on Saturday will hold us over into Sunday with those 30s. We're not really going to make it out of the 30s. Ooh, excuse me, for Sunday. So let's look ahead to our 10-day forecast. So right at today's forecast, we're expecting that 50 to hang around as our high for a couple areas. Wednesday, 57 is the expected high. Then Thursday, we go back to 48, then jump 20 degrees. Well, not really 20. It's more like 12. There we go. Math this morning's a little rough, but jumping about 12 degrees to 60. Drop another 2 or so degrees by Saturday, getting to 58. And that's where we drop 20. I knew a 20 was in there someplace. Rain chances will be quite short-lived on our end, very light rain chances. However, we are expected to see an opportunity for those temperatures to drop, because that will be right in front of a cold front. We won't get the brunt of the showers, but we will get some of that chilly air blown into the valley by Sunday. Monday, we keep those rain chances around, but we are going to get back into the 40s. Sunday looks like to be just the outlier of the week. And of course, as you can imagine, Sunday going into Monday, that low is going to be 24 degrees. So settle in, go ahead, prepare, bundle up in the mornings. We're still in that point of the year that your jacket may feel a little pointless come noon. So it's just December weather, just all over the place. But I will be on TVL at 11, and then catch up at noon for you with a full look at the forecast. Hopefully you'll tune in, and I will see you back Friday morning for another edition of Weather Extra at 10:30. Have a great one.